So guys, it turns out I did get the job at Subway, which I'm really happy about. Today I'm going in about half an hour to do my third shift. 2 days ago I did 3 hours, which was so much fun. Like, I was there during the lunch rush and I was putting the salads on, I was wrapping them up, just like getting into the routine of the whole thing. And yeah, I'm going in today, and because Tommy and I have had this offer to work with Welcome to Travel for their like promotional video, we are leaving this Sunday to go to Sydney for like 2 weeks to shoot with them, which is obviously a great opportunity for both me and Tommy. Obviously for my YouTube channel it would be great because we get to do this tour, and he gets to act in like the lead role in this film, which is going to be amazing. So obviously we did not want to pass that up. Now I have to tell my new job that I'm leaving for 2 weeks, and I'm just really nervous. I don't know how she's going to take it, and this is what's been like stressing me for the past week, because I'm just hoping that I'll be able to come back. By the way, yesterday me and Tommy were walking around like the whole morning looking for camera shops to fix Tommy's GoPro, because he's got a door that's fallen out of his GoPro, but he's got the GoPro 7, the black one, which is so much better quality than mine. And we really want to use his for the vlogs because I think it will improve the overall quality of our vlogs so much. Also, I have 6 kilos of overweight in my bag that I somehow need to get rid of. I posted a lot of things to like Facebook Marketplace, but the only things that really sold were my Nike Pro shorts. So I'm back from work now and everything went fine. She was just like, yeah, it's fine, you can come back after Sydney, so that's cool. And Tommy also finished work early. So yeah, we're gonna go play basketball with Isaac, who is one of Tommy's best friends. And also we have Emma's birthday dinner tonight because she's turning 21, so we're all gonna go out for dinner, which is gonna be really fun. I'm actually really excited. Also, I brought home like a whole bunch of Subway cookies because they were gonna be thrown out anyway, and I was like, yes, I will have them all.
If we never someone's gotta change. You watch if we never someone's gotta change.
Now we've got to go back to get ready for Emma's dinner. Oh, happy birthday! Oh no! We're all having the gnocchi pasta. It's so good. Delicious. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Emma.
Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's Day!
I want to kiss you, not the camera. Oh.
Becca was at work today.
Took me 3.5 hours to get back.
But you're back!
I'm back!
And Becca's about to open her card 1 day early because we thought that we were flying to Sydney. Who knows, we could still be flying to Sydney. Stay tuned. Ooh.
This looks so good. You're gonna have one with me? Here you go.
Thank you.
Squirrel. Oh my god.
So it turns out we had a very similar idea. And also the wine as well. We now have like so much wine.
We're gonna get drunk. How cute.
They've got a tick box on the back so you can't be cheeky and use them more than once. Yeah.
I can get a pen that rubs out without you knowing.
Ooh, does that really exist though?
Yeah.
There's a flaw to your...
There's nothing really going on. It's crazy to actually see that no one's leaving, no one's coming in.
It's Valentine's Day. We're gonna rent a car and go to the mountains.
Another car, go to the mountains, go to the caves. Who knows? We've got all day to explore now. And the time is
9 o'clock. And it's a rainy day today, so it'll be a nice day to just drive around, do some sightseeing. Now we've got to get off the train. We have a flight today booked in for Sydney, but I didn't tell you guys this, but the Sydney tour that we were going to do got cancelled last minute just because of the new outbreaks in Victoria, and our tour managers had been in Melbourne like 5 days before, so they had to...
He's stuck there right now, like in full lockdown.
We might postpone the tour to a week, so we don't really know what's going on. And yeah, I told my job I was leaving for 2 weeks, so now I don't have a work for 3 weeks as well, so I have no idea what's going to happen. But yeah, we're just renting a car going to the mountains today.
We are in the hire car, which is actually pretty damn swanky. We are on our way to SpringBrook National Park. It's in the middle of nowhere, it looks like.
It's like outside of Gold Coast.
We're going to go see the natural bridge, and then we're going to go see some glowworms later in the afternoon. Hopefully that'll be pretty cool, and we're going to try and sneak a camera in.
Yeah, it's 11:40. We just arrived in SpringBrook. It's so pretty. The drive up here was insane. There's like a little river going down, and there's like a little picnic spot which looked amazing, but it is raining a little bit. And now we're on our way to the natural bridge. You look like a proper backpacker with this bag.
Right.
Looks so cool. We're not allowed to swim though. They have lots of glowworms in here. We're going in under. You can see why it's called Natural Bridge.
Wow.
Hello there.
Hello, mate. Just chilling on the rock.
Don't
I
like the
see.
rain. Look at his feet. Look at his back feet.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just here. Gonna see some worms for Valentine's Day.
Yeah, in the glowworm waiting area.
Yeah.
We've got our glow-in-the-dark necklaces.
Yeah, I've got a moon.
They did say that we're not allowed to film in there.
Oh, hello. Hello, sir.
We're gonna be late. We're not gonna get the car back in time.
We just went to the glowworms, which was really cool to see.
Yeah.
It was like $15, a 30-minute tour, and they were in like this artificial cave, but it was still real glowworms.
Yeah, I thought it was fake to begin with.
Yeah,
I
me
thought they just
too.
like stuck a bunch of lights
Fairy
up.
lights.
I was like,
I thought that as well.
No
I was like, oh
way.
my god.
Like, no way. But when she like shined the light, the red light, on the glowworm, because apparently they can't see red light, I was like, oh my god, they're actually real.
Yeah, you could kind of see them moving sometimes, and like they caught little flies.
There's the piano.
Oh Oh, what? Piano painted on a rock. We thought it was a real one first.
I took the GoPro in.
Yeah.
I have like 10 seconds of video, and I'm not sure if you can see the glowworms at all on it.
If that wasn't any good, I'll just insert a photo of some glowworms so you can see how they look. And they only exist in Australia and New Zealand, which is pretty cool. I didn't even know that. And we have exactly 1 hour to drop this baby off at the car rental. Guess what we did? I just did a bad thing. Ooh. I regret that thing I did. I don't regret it. We got Uber Eats and we got Domino's. Let's see. I was expecting it to be heart-shaped, but that's okay.
Vegetarian beef though.
Vegetarian beef with olives. I bloody love olives. I didn't used to like them. And they gave us free garlic bread because our order was like an hour late. And we're watching The Notebook.
So it's like proper cheesy Valentine's date night in. Finally watching The Notebook.
I know, I think I've tried to watch it like once.
Imagine getting to 21 years old and not watching The Notebook. That's crazy.
And I'm already crying and we're only like 20 minutes in. Would you look at that? Mukbang.
Cheers. Happy Valentine's.
So
Happy
good.
Valentine's Day.
Day. Do you want to feed me the garlic bread and it can be like a thumbnail? Taste test. Feed me this pizza instead. That's a good one.
Vegetarian beef. Damn. Pretty good.
Filming a beautiful sunset from the Roma Street. Oh, it looks sick. We thought we missed it. Tommy had a day off today, so all we did was went to the lagoon and sunbathed and read our books all day. It was really nice. I'm reading The Power of Now still. I always want to read more, but it's taken me a long time to almost finish the book. I'm almost finished now. Well, I've got like less than half left. Tommy was reading a book he bought today.
Yeah, it's called Make Your Bed, which is actually a really great book.
I love that. Just got back from work, guys. Trying to pack, organise what I'm keeping, what I'm throwing away, because we're flying to Sydney tomorrow and the baggage allowance is, I thought it was 30 kilos, but no, it's 23 kilos per bag. And if you want to add weight, you have to add an extra bag. It costs $50, so we might have to do that. By the way, if you guys are wondering where I was working today, it's just through the agency that I was working with, or that I am working with in Brisbane, called Zenith, which is actually really good. I was just working this whole week in like a college as a kitchen hand. But yeah, it's been pretty good. But now I need to get packing because it's like 8:30. So it is 4:18 in the morning on Sunday, 21st of February. It's time to leave Brisbane, at least for a little while. And this is my airport outfit. I'm wearing my heaviest clothes, so my jeans, my hoodie, and we've got all of our stuff into little bags. And we're ready to go. Time to grab a Ola or something.
An Ola.
And look at all of our rubbish. And we had like 3 bags for the giveaway free like food. What am I saying? Free clothes section. Going to the airport. It's too early. 15.7 and I was stressed. Okay.
All those clothes that you threw away.
I know. I don't know if that's true. Yeah, I threw away so many things, but I guess that's good. We're all done for security and everything. Now we just sat down at this cute little cafe. We do need to wear face masks now, just because I'm not sure why. I think it might be because of Perth or something. I don't know.
Victoria.
Yeah, our flight is like, how long is our flight?
Hour and a half.
Hour and a half to Sydney.
Pretty chill. And we're going to get picked up by a friend the other side.
Yeah, and this is going to be my first time in Sydney. The last time I went to Sydney was literally just staying in the airport, so this will be fun. An iced oat latte, and you got a flat white.
Is that an oat as well?
Yeah, mine's oat as well.
No, as in the thing on top.
That's not an oat, that's like a nice little pattern. Wait,
Yeah,
maybe
I don't
it's an oat. Is that an oat? I don't know.
Yeah. How about you just go like...
That's a good oat latte.
This is what I want to know, right? Why do they do this?
What?
This.
So you can
Check
hold
this
it.
out. That's the only way I can
Well,
hold
let
it.
me. Well, maybe everyone doesn't have big fingers as you.
I want to prove it, or... Yeah, well...
It's 8:30. It's an hour later here, and we've just been doing some reading. And I've been reading Tommy's new book. It's got the 5 love languages. It's actually really good. It seems like.
Just trying to help Becca get some friends.
You watch if we never don't know. Someone's gotta change.